Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's technology tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install and configure Koha 24.05 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Step-by-step guide will be there. And we have a tutorial link. So here all the steps and all the documentation will provide with this URL. So I'm going to open this URL. So install and configure Koha 24.05 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS step-by-step guide. So install the Koha library system with the MySQL database in Ubuntu Server 24.04 LTS. Follow this step. Koha is the open source integrated library system. This is the ILS. And installation involving configuration, repositories, installing dependencies, setting up database, and configuring the web interface. First, let me decide one server. So I have one server. I'm just running that server with the VMware workstation, and we have Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Now let me access this server. I know the IP of this server, sshDpt @dpt my user, and 192.168.224.129. So I have accessed SSH. Now we'll go through a step by step. So first step, update and upgrade the package. So copy this command and just paste it there. And you can type also. Next, I'm going to add the Koha repository. So download the Koha GPG key and save it. So this is the command where we can download the GPG key and we're adding this. So copy this, paste it there. So this is done. Now add the Koha repository. So there is a path for the Koha repository. So this will be etc apt source list and then Koha list will be there. So I'm copying this one and add this. Now I'm going to update the repositories. Updation is done. We have warning about the GPG key, so that's not a problem with the warning. Now I'm going to install the Koha and required dependencies. For that, just run this command Koha common and install. So installation is started. After installing the Koha common, we'll go to install the MySQL server. So installation is going on. 67% installation is going. We are running the step 3. Step 4, we have to install and configure the MySQL. .94% is completed. I'm waiting for the complete. Okay, installation is completed. Now I'm going to install MySQL server. So after MySQL server, we'll move to the secure MySQL installation. Okay, so we'll move to the MySQL secure installation. So would you like to set up validate password component? Yes. And I'm going giving low, remove anonymous user, yes. Disallow remote login, yes. Remove test databases, yes. Reload privileges, yes. So done. Now step 5, edit the Koha site configuration. So open this one. So here we'll just update the following setting in the Koha site.config. So intra report will just go for the 8080. And other configurations are okay. Next, I'm going to configure the Apache. So I'm just going to enable the mode rewrite. So done. Configure mode CGI. Done. Now I'm going to restart Apache 2. Done. So next step 7, create a instance for Koha. Copy this. Done. Now step 8, add Apache port 8080 for the listening port. So open the Apache configuration. Add this new port also. Next, I'm going to restart the Apache. So sudo systemctl restart Apache 2. Now I'm going to disable 000 default sites available setting. So done. Now enable the mode and site. So these are the already enabled. Okay. Now restart the Apache. Now access Koha interface. So I'm going to open. My IP address is here. My IP address is 129. Here 163. So I'm going to connect with the 129. So welcome to Koha 24.04 web installer. So here please enter the username and password. Go to the documentation. So initial Koha setup, login to staff interface and finalize. So MySQL secure installation. Let me check the username and password. So here just open this one, this file. Go down. So here in configuration you can able to see Your user is Koha library. And password we have, this one we have password. So just continue the next step. There is a choose your language where we have a EN English. Check Perl dependencies. Continue. Database setting. So we have a MySQL database, Koha library database name, automatically it will create. So continue to the next. Now database setting, continue to the next, connection established. Here set up the database, continue to the next. It will ready to create a database table and fill them with some default data. So now install basic configuration setting. Next. So install basic configuration is done. Now next. So MARC stand for the machine readable cataloging. So we are going through that. Click on next. So just like a fast add minimum MRC. So check this one and any other information, any other things you want to add, then you can add it. Simple sample code, sample library, and simple news item, simple codes. So just click on next. There is sample holidays also, Sundays, Christmas, New Year, you can add. So now set up some Koha basic requirements. So click on next. So begin the onboarding process. So give the category name. So main and giving the name my main library. So give the month 60 I'm giving for the testing purpose. Just click on submit. So here administrator identity we need. So I'm giving the Mahto, Chirag, card number 1234567 8, and there is a test library is there. So you can choose one of them and administrator login. So done. In Chirag@gmail.com is the username I'm giving, and password capital A admin@123. Now we need the item code. So these are the settings I'm leaving default for now. As per your requirement, you can change the settings. So start using Koha. So installation is complete. So installation is done. So now you can able to see this is the Koha page, and another page is running with the 8080. So this is a staff interface is there, this, and this is a Koha online catalog. So here you can able to see all the listings and add to the cart and other things, changes. So all the things will be there for the this one for the user side, and this is for the staff size side. And if you want to add some information, Koha administration, and all the things will be available there. So in this video, we have learned how to install and configure Koha 24.04 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So step by step process is given there. And for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Not follow the process on in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.